So the Lepak DAO is the very first and only community for builders fully on-chain, and it's gonna be raised in Malaysia, Southeast Asia. So this is our starting point. Our DAO will provide our members with many cool features that we will see in the next slides. And then one of the main features, for example, is co-working spaces. We will launch co-working and co-living spaces in Kuala Lumpur, which is gonna be launched by that next month. And we're planning to expand ourselves all the way in Asia. Another features that I want to introduce just now, it's, for example, proof of humanity. So we're using WorldCoin as our protocol for proof of humanity. So you know that it's very important for our users to prove that they are actually humans, so that they can get a membership in our DAO. Because members of our DAO will be able to vote on certain proposals, create hacker houses and join hacker houses, and eventually they will live together with other builders in the same place. So we want to make sure that our joiners are actually real humans and they only join once. So next, and then we've got video streaming. This is another very cool feature. So as you can see in this snippet, we will allow users to stream videos and then other users to connect and watch these streamings, and actually they will be able to message the streamers through the chat box on the right side. And these features are achieved using LivePeer first for the video streaming, and XMTP for the chat service. We've got low transaction fees. We deploy to Polygon and Scale, and transaction fees are very low. Then we're using IPFS storage to store all our data from our users, and for example also from our hacker houses. We want to store hacker houses data, users data in IPFS so that it's available for everyone and it has no censorship. And then we have a subscription model where users can go and subscribe to a hacker house. Of course, they have to apply first. So there's an apply button on our dashboard that would allow users to go and apply for a hacker house. And after that, they will be able to stream some money to our contracts after they have already been approved by the hosts. And then we have notification services through EPNS. This allows our users to know when a new joiner is coming. We also want to extend this to know when the DAO is performing some investments, because we also support investments through Aave. So we are investing our part of the treasury of our DAO into Aave by supplying some tokens. Then we've got privacy preserving badges, and this is through Sysmo. What we want to achieve here is we want to make our voting anonymous, because our voting, we include in our voting for our DAO, we include different features such as, for example, blacklisting people, throwing people away from our DAO because they did something bad, or we want to change the hosts of our DAO, the moderators of our DAO. So we want to make this anonymous, and we used Sysmo technology for zero knowledge badges and to keep privacy, and so the users can just go and vote without revealing their identity. And our future plans is that, of course, as I mentioned before, we want to launch our first cohort within a month or two. We're already working on it. Co-working spaces in Malaysia, continuously improving our website, making contacts with Web3 builders. We aspire to make Lepak DAO the biggest DAO in Southeast Asia. And thank you so much.